Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Alright, so for question 2, this is the question. Rod AB, 85 millimeters long, rolls over a semicircular pole without slipping from its initial vertical position till it becomes upside down vertical. Estimate the diameter of the semicircular pole and draw the locus of both ends A and B. Right, this is the question, so let's start. Alright, so before we start drawing, let's do a few calculations. I've been given that AB is 85. This better. Now the formula is AB must be greater than or equal to pi d over 2. Pi d over 2 because I'm drawing a semicircle. Now let's estimate the value of d. So d must be less than or equal to 2 times 85 all over pi. So now d must be less than or equal to, that's 54 millimeters. Now we have to choose a diameter that's a bit smaller. So in our case, I'm going to use a diameter of 50 millimeters. It all depends on you. So let's start drawing. Those who want to see, this is the calculation. Now to the actual drawing. First step you do is to draw your horizontal line. Then you draw the vertical pole. Now the vertical pole has a distance of 85. So let's measure 85. So here's my A and here's my point B. And the diameter of the semicircle, we are using 50. So mean the radius is 25. I'm going to pick 25. I'll stand at A and describe an arc. Now I'll stand, so let me name this part point O. I'll stand at O and draw my semicircle. Right, I'm going to divide this semicircle into 6 parts. So let me draw the vertical line first. That's my vertical line. So then, with this radius, I'll stand here and describe an arc. Stand here and describe an arc. Stand here and describe an arc. And describe an arc. I'm going to draw lines from the point of intersection to the midpoint. Yes. Right, so now let's number the points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's pick from A to 1, or you can pick from 1 to 2. It's the same thing. Step at A, inscribe an arc. Step there, inscribe an arc. You're doing that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me number here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to draw tangents to all the points. So we stand here. This one is bigger. Let me use. I need to extend this line a bit. So you use a 45 degrees set square to get the tangent line. Then you extend with your ruler. I'm going to extend the line to the ruler. Alright, so let's start work. You stand at 1, open to A. Stand at 1, inscribe an arc. Stand at 1, open to B. Stand at 1, inscribe an arc. Let's do that. So stand at 1, open to A. Stand at 1, and inscribe an arc. Stand at 1, open to B. Stand at 1, and inscribe an arc. Let's move on to 2. Stand at 2, open to A. Stand at 2, inscribe an arc. Stand at 2, open to B. Stand at 2, and inscribe an arc. Stand at 3, open to A. Stand at 3, and inscribe an arc. Stand at 3, open to B. Stand at 3, and inscribe an arc. So I'm going to repeat it for the rest of the areas. As I'm done getting the points, I'm going to number them. So here's A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Where's B? One starts from here. So here's B1, B2, B3, the B4, B5, and B6. They are going to join all the E's and all the B's with a free hand. That's for the A. Let's do the same thing too for the B. Yes. And that's it for the B too. So that's the solution to question 2.